How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can log into Spotify using QR codes. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that the phone that you are going to be using to scan the QR codes has your account logged in. Now, from there, you just want to navigate through Microsoft Store. And if you're using something like your television, just head over to the Play Store. And from there, you then want to simply search for the Spotify application because we cannot go ahead and do this from the web version. So we need to grab the actual application right here from Spotify. So just search Spotify and download the official application right here. And simply right after, it will then show up like this, and all you have to do is to scan the QR code with a QR scanner. You don't have to actually navigate through the Spotify application, so just scan it with a QR scanner on your phone, and from there you will be taken to a web page on which you will be redirected onto the Spotify application on your phone. From there, it will load a couple of seconds and you will be able to log in right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.